Hello and welcome back to another mind-blowing video on nails. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're most welcome to my channel once again. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. This channel is your go-to destination for latest and trending nail designs. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, or you have been watching my videos but you have subscribed, kindly join us today. Okay, do subscribe, turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss our videos as soon as we upload them in the channel. Thank you so much as you join us. So if you want to take your nail game to the next level, then this channel is your go-to destination. Do join us today and trust me, you will never regret ever coming across this channel, because we bring nothing but most stylish designs like trending nail designs, gorgeous nail design. Just like today, we have carefully selected cute and elegant nails ideas. Yes, these are medium-sized nail art design for my ladies. Guys, this nails is so beautiful. You can rock it to any occasion like child education, birthday parties, or wedding, any kind of event. It serves all purposes, so you can watch it to the end to select your most loved ones. And please, as you watch through, kindly like this video, okay, share and comment. We'll wait for your lovely comment in comment section. Should in case this is not actually what you want, maybe you're looking for a seasonal nail, maybe you're looking for Christmas nails, New Year nails, or winter nails, just go check our channel out, for we have varieties. We have stunning designs, lots and lots of stunning nails ideas. You will be blown away, trust me. Just go check them out and thank me later. And please, as you watch our videos, like, comment and share, as we're looking forward to seeing you again in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.